What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And what I want to talk about in this video is what affiliate marketing is. Now, I have done videos, I've done videos about this before, about affiliate marketing. I had people to ask questions trying to figure out exactly what it is. And then also I'm doing this video because of a response that I had got to an email blast that I sent out some weeks ago or whatever. But anyways, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays a commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals, right? So there's so many people, there's so many companies that offer affiliate programs. And with those affiliate programs, again, you can, if you have an audience, if you have a list, you can actually send traffic from your email list or whatever to their websites in order to make purchases or whatever else. And because of that, you can earn a small or sizable commission from that. Now, like I said, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I had sent out an email. I got hair in my eye. Sorry, guys. Anyways, so I had sent an email blast out to my email to my list or whatever else a few weeks ago, and somebody had replied back was like, basically, you only need to only do one thing. And that's not necessarily true, right? Your main focus can still be your main focus, but you can still generate additional income, right? So let's say, like, if you are doing e-commerce or Shopify or whatever, and that's your main focus, that is your primary business. Well, if you have an email list already, then why not monetize that list? Just because they're on your list doesn't mean that all they want to hear about is Shopify and e-commerce. Maybe they have no interest whatsoever with, trying to build an online store, and you can't force somebody to build an online store just because you're having success with it. So if you already have an email list and your email list already kind of consists of, maybe people who want to know more about working from home or how to make money online, then why not present other, products or info products to them that may suit their needs or what they're looking for, right? That's how you can generate additional income with affiliate marketing without losing your focus. And it's the same thing when, again, if you're, promoting, like, your primary focus is Shopify. If you have a coaching business or a consulting business or whatever else where you're helping people, get their first results with Shopify or whatever else, you're not losing focus. Your primary business is still here, but you're just generating an additional income. And with that additional income or those additional income streams, they can help pay for, your personal expenses or help to keep your business running or whatever else. And because you have that extra income, you can use that for whatever. And the profits you made from your e-commerce store, you can, reinvest into your company, to your store, purchase more products or whatever else. Of course, take some out for yourself. Okay, yeah. But you know what I'm saying? You can have additional incomes coming through. You do not have to just do one effing thing. You do not have to do it. And what is I've been seeing on social media all the time, like what, multi-millionaires or whatever else have at least 7 streams of income? Well, hello, you can do that with affiliate marketing. You can generate additional streams of income without putting that much effort into it. So there's so many companies that are doing this. So companies that I have mentioned on this channel before, like JV Zoo and Warrior Plus, those are like digital info courses. You can get those from those sites or whatever else. So they're like in the work from home niche or to make money online niche, right? So you can go find products on there, promote those to your list, especially if your list is like the work from home type of leads or whatever else. You can also do this with Walmart and Target. If you go onto their websites, just like how we are with Amazon right here, if you go on their websites, scroll all the way down, and you'll see a link right here, right? Become an affiliate. And most companies do this. Like I said, Walmart does it, Target does it, Best Buy, they may do it, I can't remember. But it's a lot of companies that do this, so why not? Especially if it's going to be something, like I said, like if you're you work from home and you just bought like I said, that you bought like a new desk chair or like a new chair for your office or whatever else, then why not share it on your social media? Like, hey, I just got this new chair. It's so comfortable. It's helping out with my back. My legs don't hurt from sitting or whatever else. And somebody might, be interested in that, and they'll click on your affiliate link, go over to Walmart, buy it, and you get a commission from that. So why not get sales from your already existing audience that's already connected to you? So with a lot of these companies, they can already generate traffic on their own, but they just open it up to other people like myself and others to also send their own traffic to those sites to purchase products. And then also it can cut back on their advertising costs as well. But again, that's what you do with that. Also with CPA offers is a type of affiliate marketing. So this is like Offer Vault right here. You have like Max Bounty. There's so many of them that you can choose from. But these are all, also things you could promote to your list, or if you have a audience like a niche specific fan page. So that kind of goes back to, like with e-commerce, and when people used to always ask, when it comes to building a general store, should I create a fan page that's just for a general store, or should I create niche specific fan pages like I love dogs or I love cats or whatever else? And the reason why a lot of people's answer was you wanted to create niche specific pages, because if they get a lot of you have like a decent audience on there and an engaging audience on those pages, then you can come onto any of these sites, find a product that you can sell on that particular fan page, generate some traffic, and get some sales. So now you understand the reason why people say, like, you definitely want to create niche specific websites if you create like a general store, right? Because those are also going to be assets in themselves. But like with CPA, you get it's like cost per action, right? So somebody can offer one of these to their page, their email list, their audience. And if somebody submits like their email address to get more information, or maybe for like a home loan quote or whatever else, and they submit their name, address, phone number, or whatever else, you earn a commission, or you get a commission for each time somebody completes that form, right? So there's so many different ways that you can generate additional income with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing can be a full-time thing, or it can just be a part-time way that you can just generate extra streams of income. It's also a great way to earn like, extra 4 to 5 figures per month. People are actually making more than that with affiliate marketing, especially in the digital marketing space. Whenever they have like big launches during this time, like it's probably like maybe like a week or a week and a half, they'll have like a launch, and they'll offer bonuses, they'll have contests or whatever else. And I have actually been a part of some of these. I've actually been on the leaderboard for some of these affiliate contests. But people have won just flat out cash, Rolexes, cars, all types of stuff with affiliate marketing. And again, they're not doing anything extra. They're not losing focus from their main source of income, but they know that they already have a list, right? So some of the people that are on a leaderboard with me, they have like lists of like 500,000 plus or $1 million, right? So everybody on that list probably doesn't want to have anything to do with what their primary business is. So, hey, well, let me go ahead and send a link to this product launch that's happening right now. I can talk about this product launch to my list for about a week or a week and a half, generate some sales, and then I'm on to the next. And that's how, like, a lot of people have actually made a lot of money during these product launches, okay? So that's affiliate marketing. That's just, again, it's a great way for you to generate additional income without losing your main focus, right? Now, for me, I've been having the most success as of recent with ClickFunnels and Shopify affiliates. Now, with both of those, I just provide a lot of value, show that I'm using the product, and then people will actually click on my affiliate link to set up their own accounts, and I earn commissions. Like Shopify, like, I use it. I do videos on it on my YouTube channel. So people go through my 14-day trial, and I get commissions from that. ClickFunnels, I use ClickFunnels a lot for my sales funnels and for my membership sites for where I have my info courses or whatever. So people see that, they want to recreate it or whatever else, so they'll become a ClickFunnels affiliate. So below this video, I'll actually put some information about ClickFunnels and how you can actually get started with ClickFunnels. And I'm actually going to give you a free affiliate funnel that you can use for ClickFunnels, so you can just go and just start promoting right out the gate without having trying to figure out each step and how to create your own sales funnel with ClickFunnels. People are having major success with ClickFunnels. You earn like what, 40% off of the sale, and then each month that person keeps having ClickFunnels, you earn 40% commissions from that sale every single month. So that's like residual income, guys, right? So like I said, I'm gonna put that information below, and you can go ahead and get started. It comes with free training and everything else. But again, this is how you get started with affiliate marketing. Again, it's just a simple way to generate additional income streams for your business. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions, comment below, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell to get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. And until the next one, peace.